Do a box break 06, 07, Tops Luxury. The doesn't want. Right. Still doesn't want to. Alright, there you go. Alright. Alright, first pack. Alright. Marty Collins rookie out of 329. And the first hit is, oh nice, a Gerald Wallace autographed jersey out of 139. Alright, next pack. Have a PJ Tucker rookie out of 999. And the hit is an Antoine Jamison out of 349 jersey. Nice, nice. Alright, next pack. Stick. Yeah, I'll flip tape. Have a Brandon Roy rookie at a 999. That's nice. And we have a dual jersey of Mecca Okafor and Raymond Felton out of 49. That's nice. Feels. Alright, next pack. Have a rookie of Alexander Johnson at a 999. Two more hits to go. Here's one of them. Have another dual jersey. Oh, this is nice. Nice. Chris Paul and Peja Stojakovic out of 299 dual jersey. That's nice, Kevin. That's nice. Alright. Three more packs to go with one more hit. This one's the last hit. Let's just save it. Just get these out of the way. Have a gold parallel Andrei Kirilenko out of 19. And we have a rookie of Ronnie Carney out of 499. Here comes the last hit. I think it's like a 6 jersey piece. Alright. Boy, it's thick. We have a Jason Kidd, green parallel out of 329. Ooh, this is a triple out of 249. We have a Carmelo Anthony jersey, Nene, and Allen Iverson. Triple jersey out of 249. Alright, that was a break.